We'll guide you through how to fix an iPad not charging. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because either your iPad is nearly out of charge or it already is. So we've got different methods you can try, so make sure it's this full video. First of all, we can try performing a forced restart in case it's just a bit of a glitch. So what you can try doing is pressing the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down at the side rocker. Now keep this held down, you don't need to slide across. Shortly your screen will go black, like it has now, but keep it held down until you go and see the Apple icon. At that point release and it will start. If it does, then great. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is checking the actual port itself. What can happen here is debris, fluff and other things like that can get in the port, stopping the connectors from connecting from the cable. If you see anything in there, you can try blowing, or you can try getting a soft brush to go and clear it out. Do be very careful here though, because you can damage it. If you manage to remove anything, then what you can do is plug it in and see if it will then go and charge. Hopefully it will. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next thing you can try doing is using a different cable, as the cable will be faulty, which is why the device isn't charging. And as well as that, you can try a different power source for the cable, so you could use a different wall adapter or try plugging it into your computer, then test it and see if that solves the problem, as it could just be a problem with the cable, and hopefully that will then go and solve the problem. If it has, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.